Hello, welcome to a new video. I hope you can see we are in famous Kitzbühel.
We are.
If everyone has ever seen a skiing race, I'm pretty sure you saw the Kitzbühel race. So today we're going to show you the ski resort and just have a relaxing skiing day.
Yes, exactly. Let's go.
The famous Mausefalle. Crazy people with full speed jumping on purpose for like 60 meters. Whew. Hut ab. Now we moved to the Jochberg side. We took the big cable car, the 3S. It snowed a lot during the night, so it's a little bit soft today, but still. Let's warm up.
Let's warm up.
It's clearing up a little bit. We are now in the central part, so Kirchberg in Kitzbühel. The weather is a little bit nicer here. Never give up. The sun always comes.
Woohoo! We have sun. Now we're going down the famous Streif. I mean, not the whole thing, because you cannot
normally ski the whole thing, but most of it. Let's see what the big fuss is all about. So, the race takes place there in the back, but there's like a bypass so that even the families can go. The crucial flat part of the race. You need to take as much speed as possible there. That's the spot where Bodie Miller actually made a big commercial for Audi. But you need to take some speed with you because here it's flat. Inspection, everything's getting ready. After the break, it really cleared up. Even the Wilda Kaiser came out to greet us. Come on up. Downhill. We made it down alive, so you cannot really ski the hard parts of the slope, but it was still a lovely experience to see where all the things are. Kitzbühel, we couldn't show you the whole resort because today the weather was not the best. If you need a good skiing instructor, Christoph is the man, so let us know and we'll give you the contact. If you need a place to stay, we can highly recommend the roomy Kitzbühel hostel.
Yes.
Really nice.
It's in the center, 5 minutes walk to the Hannenkammbahn, so
no problem.
good.
Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.
See you next time.